Today, I'll be demonstrating the utilization of Adobe Firefly, an AI image generation tool currently developed by. In this video, I will guide you through the process of accessing the site, exploring various images, types and styles, and also additional functionalities you won't learn anywhere else. Furthermore, generate and animate art all for free. So let's begin. For this step-by-step guide, we are going to be doing 2 steps. The first step is to access the site. So to do that, click on the first link below this video and you'll see this dashboard. Now you can either sign up or log in using your Google account. Now after doing that, you can now move to the next step, which is to guide you step by step on how to use their various options. So let's see how you can use Adobe Firefly for text to image generator to generate images like this. So to do that, select the option here and now let's input our prompt. Then after that, click on the generate button. Also, you have the ability to modify the parameters of your image such as aspect ratio and content type. Adobe Firefly offers 4 content, which are art, graphic. Let's just generate and animate art like this using Adobe Firefly. So head over here also and give it a prompt. Now select generate. We now have our own free AI generated anime character. You can also check out the video where I showed you 3 different alternatives to create text to images content for free. I'll link it up in the card up above. Text effect is another noteworthy feature Adobe Firefly has. To explore it, click on the text effect. Adobe Firefly provides 4 styles for each prompt. Alternatively, you can explore their pre-designed sample effect to fit your style. Once you are done creating any of your text image generator or text effect or anime art, you can simply download the file by clicking on this button and select download. Do you believe this tool will remain free? Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.